In 2022, Apple had paid a total of over $320 billion to iOS app developers selling goods and services through the App Store. If you want a piece of the pie, stick around and learn how you can publish an app to the Apple App Store yourself. Your first step is to become best friends with the App Store guidelines. These guidelines are your golden ticket to ensuring your app aligns with Apple's high standards. They cover everything from user privacy and security to content and functionality. Neglecting these could mean the difference between acceptance and rejection. So study them like they're the blueprint to your success. Design isn't just about looks, it's about creating an intuitive user experience that feels like second nature. Your app should boast a sleek design that adheres to Apple's human interface guidelines, ensuring it's not only beautiful, but also functional and accessible. Remember, in the world of apps, first impressions are everything. Code is the canvas where your app comes to life. As of 2024, Apple requires all apps to be built with Xcode 15 and the iOS 17 SDK. This ensures your app is equipped with the latest features and optimizations. It's not just about meeting the minimum, it's about leveraging these tools to create something truly remarkable. Before your app sees the light of day, it must undergo rigorous testing. Utilize TestFlight to distribute beta versions to testers around the globe. This feedback is invaluable, helping you to polish every pixel and perfect every feature. A flawless app is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Metadata is the storefront of your app. It's what users see first, so make it count. A captivating name, a descriptive and engaging summary, and screenshots that capture the essence of your app are crucial. This metadata isn't just information, it's a marketing tool that can skyrocket your app to stardom. In today's digital age, privacy is not just a feature, it's a right. Your app's privacy policy should be transparent and comprehensive, detailing how you handle user data. Users trust you with their information, and it's your duty to protect that trust with the utmost care and responsibility. If you're finding value in this guide and are excited about bringing your app idea to life, consider showing your support. A Buy Me a Coffee goes a long way in fueling our journey together. Your generosity sparks more content like this, helping all of us reach new heights. So take a moment to click the link below and buy me a coffee. Let's keep this adventure thriving. Submitting your app via AppStore Connect is the moment of truth. This platform is your bridge to the App Store, where you'll provide all the details of your app and submit it for review. It's a straightforward process, but every detail counts, so double-check everything before hitting that submit button. Rejection is not failure, it's a learning opportunity. If your app is rejected, Apple will provide feedback. Use this to your advantage. Address the issues, refine your app, and resubmit. Persistence is key, and with each iteration, you're one step closer to approval. Congratulations, your app is now on the App Store. But the journey doesn't end here. Monitor your app's performance, engage with user feedback, and keep iterating. The App Store is a dynamic ecosystem, and staying relevant means staying on top of updates, trends, and user needs. You're now equipped with the knowledge to conquer the App Store. Remember, the journey of 1,000 downloads begins with a single code line. So start coding, start testing, and start your ascent to the top of the App Store today.